back to your fourth day of studio. On day one, we drew our picture of what we wanted our collage to look like. On day two, we used magazines and our scissors to cut out shapes and colors and textures that might match the picture that we drew. So if you drew a tree, you were maybe looking for some green and brown colors, maybe a nice texture for the bark on your tree. And then on day three, we talked about how to get started on our actual collage. Some of you maybe made a cardboard background. Some of you maybe chose to just glue straight down onto your sketch, which is fine as well. And you used your glue stick to start gluing your pieces down onto your backing or your paper, okay? So we talked a little bit about the possibility of tearing and cutting and maybe playing around with your pieces to make sure that they fit. So you might lay a piece down and decide it's too big or too small and use your scissors to trim that piece up. So I've been continuing to work on my cat on my chair. So I've been cutting my pieces, looking for those colors and textures and cutting them to the shape and size that I need. So for today and for next class, to finish up our project, we're just gonna continue gluing down and playing with our pieces. One of the things that you want to think about is overlapping. So see if you can fill up your whole space so that you don't see any of your background at all. So if this is my backing, I'm gonna cover my whole page. So if I have sky in the background, I'm gonna find all the blue. If I want my sky to be blue, it could be any color you want. I'm gonna find blue in my magazine to try and cover my whole sky. So notice how, here's my backing. Notice how I've covered it all the way to the edges. You don't see any of my cardboard showing through. If it's a piece of paper, see if you can't get your whole page covered. So think about what your background looks like, what's behind what your picture is. So if you have a tree, what's behind it? Is there a building behind your tree, or is there sky behind your tree? How are you gonna fill up your space? Okay, so we're gonna continue today working on cutting out pieces and gluing them down, and then on our last day together, if you want, you can take a picture of your artwork and put it in our Schoology gallery. So if you go to your Schoology course, you'll see that there's a button you can push to upload a picture to share your finished artwork with me and with your friends too. I hope you guys have fun, and it was lovely seeing you this week. Bye.